Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you short pass concept for deep pass concepts. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer and go to Deep Pass Concepts. Enter Short Pass Concept.
Here we go.
Shot plays are plays that are designed to catch the defense off guard and take a shot deep. When matched up against zone defenses, the receiver will try to horizontally stretch or create a high-low against the safeties. Run the shot concept and complete pass.
Here we go. Stop. Here we go. Stop. Here we go. Stop.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.